Hello all, welcome to Billionaire YouTube channel. Hope you all are well, and let's start the Nifty analysis. So yesterday our analysis was at 0.618. Nifty had taken support and we were having a bullish view. So as explained yesterday, we were in a trade for a long. So after a small gap up opening, Nifty made a bullish candle. It hit somewhere around 240. What is this high? Let us check. Yeah, 260 high it made and then rapidly fell down. So I had an open position and fortunately I had trailed the stop loss of the long position, so I was able to book nearly 45 points. I think I took a trade on 18,200 C at 93 and exited at 137 or something. So yeah, that's one thing that I did after I see here that it's still going up, but yeah, I wanted to trail the stop loss as it was not able to sustain. So that fortunately helped me to exit the first trade. Then later on I didn't take any sell side trade when it started drop, right? I was pretty sure that after having this particular low tested here 18,060, it is a bullish kind of trend. So when it fell down to these levels, to this area, I checked at these levels. So I found that it could be either a leading diagonal pattern with 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then again drop and then rise, right? So this pattern I was expecting, but yeah, then again you would see here after making this low it went up very rapidly, and if you see this height and this height, both are greater than this particular height, so it cannot be a leading diagonal, because here also if you consider this as a three wave, so this third wave is shorter than this one and this one, so it violates the Elliott wave. So I have changed the count and you would see that for the next day the up move is like this. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so this will be a third wave. So somewhere around this or bigger than this might be possible. Let's say 200% or something. Somewhere around 600 it can make 3, then dip and then go up. So this is next view. So you would see on my screen that I have plotted the waves, and yeah, this is my expectation. And you would see here, let's check what is the extension that it is giving for this particular wave. Okay, yeah, this, let's say wave C. Yeah, so somewhere this level or somewhere 500 plus it should go in a 2 or 3 days. That's what I'm expecting. It will be still bullish in a upside, so Nifty would be in a bullish and going up. So unfortunately I had a trade and I got I had a trade in a 18,200 again, but my trail got exited and I had to exit in a smaller profit around 4k. I took the profit around around 3.7k or something. I took the profit. So these are the trades I had taken. So this stop loss, if it wouldn't have been hit, I would have been keeping the position with 180 plus current price of 18,200. So that's how it was very easy to capture almost 150 points today. So yeah, it was very easy to capture those points. So the uptrend is continuing and we can expect it to go in a day or two to 18,500. Yeah, so to our surprise, this is a wave that we have. Okay, so I do not think that it will fall tomorrow, and this is internal 1-2 of third wave, you could say, and it's going up. So the only concern here is MACD histogram was having lower values. Yeah, that is one of the reason why I had to trail here and wanted to exit, because I had a view that 18,280 to 90 it will go and then start a dip as a leading diagonal, but yeah, that didn't happen and the trail stop loss got hit and I was out of the trade. So that's fine, but yeah, that's how it should that's how it trades. Later on I was not able to enter again in that trade because of less funds. So yeah, that's how the Nifty is going to move next. So next target would be 18,400 to 500 in a wave 3, which should be bullish, and 1 or 2 days we could see a bullish trend with 1 or 2 gaps we would be able to see in the next 2 sessions. So that's on the Nifty. So let's check the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty was sluggish as I said yesterday. So I have fixed the counts, and I'm believing that this is wave 1 2, then this is entirely wave 3 which has extended, and then wave 4 was still this part. Okay, so it could be a case that it is still consolidating, and as said yesterday, once it start trading below 41,000, it would be a bearish uh, trend for the Bank Nifty. But yeah, that's not the case. It didn't sustain below this, and it started to give the bounce, a small bounce. You would see that this is a small bounce, but yeah, this is not yet bullish, and I would not conclude here that it has started the upside Bank Nifty. Okay, so I would wait a couple more candles and to confirm, because this is looking like again a leading diagonal pattern. So yeah, this is a leading diagonal pattern, you could say, and then it can go up. But I'm not going to ride Bank Nifty for now, since it's in a consolidation phase, and I want to observe it more for more candles. Yeah, so there could be a chance that it is forming a leading diagonal. In tomorrow morning it can create a small jump and then start a dip small again towards 41,000. So this is going to act as a major support tomorrow, and it should go up. Okay, so you should be careful trading Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty में ज़्यादा अभी मूवमेंट नहीं आएगा, ये थक चुका है अभी, और थकेला बैंक निफ्टी अभी साइलेंस है. बट हाँ, ये अप मूव देगा और हमारा टारगेट आएगा 42,200 to 400. But yeah, slow move, as I said yesterday, that will be giving us a slow move. Bank Nifty will be giving us a slow move. So that's what happening once it starts consolidating. So this range it broken, but it will be good to see how it behaves here, whether it's a leading diagonal or another correction wave, and it breaks this particular low. So if you see here, I had plotted a Fibonacci on these levels, and I got this number. So 14,800 to 700, I had a view of this support getting respected. So that's how I had on the channel Nifty direction, I had given these particular levels. So going forward, both things looks good for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is consolidating, Nifty has to be bullish. When we go and check Concept, and in Concept when we check option chain, you would definitely see a long positions getting created. So let's first check the build up. Let's check the build up. Okay, so Nifty had a short covering. So short covering in the sense, whoever created the shorts, they exited their shorts, and Nifty is showing short covering. So yesterday longs were added, now today it's a short covering. Tomorrow it would be a long, then another day a long. Okay, so this way it should go up. Bank Nifty is still in a long position, but a trend has a little bit weakened here. So yeah, that's how Bank Nifty is moving last 2 sessions. On the option chain, when we go and check, let's check the OI data for this month expiry. So 2 days to expiry, and we have a pretty good support here on 18,000. Okay, 18,000 is a major support now, and yesterday you would have seen that this was a major support, 18,200, which was easily taken today, and you would now see a equilibrium positions here. Okay, both of these are flat, and you would see a very short covering happened on this particular call strike. So that's why you see SC on the Nifty. So you would see all these strikes, they covered their short positions, and heavy call put writing happened on these strikes. So you would see these numbers going up, put numbers are up, as you would see here, and call numbers are down. So that indicates the trend has already changed, and Nifty is going to go up. So yeah, that's how the analysis is on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So hope you liked the video. and you can share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Our target is to hit 500 subscriber by Diwali, so hope you help us achieve that. And yeah, do let us know your doubts in the comment. So one more thing, a disclaimer that any trades that you take based on this analysis, it will be your own decision. Trading is subject to market risk, so analysis can go wrong, and you can also incur a loss when you trade based on these analysis. And yeah, so take care, don't allocate too much capital on FNO trades. And yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.